Are you one of those who like eating snacks or taking snacks and you're tired of sugar snacks or sweet snacks, sour snacks? Then this video is for you. I will be presenting how I prepared this nice delicious rice snack called soppe. It's very easy, very delicious, and it's not complicated at all. So I am going to explain and show all the procedures on how this nice rice snacks was being made or is being made. So first I fried my mice meat with some pepper. I used like 2 types of pepper. You can use more types of pepper. I fried it with some fat and onions, a lot of chopped onion in it until it was browned. And then I make use of my leftover rice. You can still boil your rice, but the rice must be a little bit overcooked. As you can see, I boil the rice with just a pinch of salt, and when it was ready and we didn't use it the previous day, so the next day I decided to make these rice snacks with it. So I also mix the rice with some fat. You can use butter, but the rice must be a little bit warm in order to melt the fat. So what I did, I will take a bit of rice, mixed it in my palm, and then open a hole in it like what you are seeing, and take a little bit of my fried mice meat, fill it in the hole and cover it in an egg form. Roll it in a way that it's a little bit long, not round, because it will be difficult to fry right in the middle, and don't make it too thick. And then in another bowl I put in my egg. I used 2 eggs in this process. I mixed it together, and after I finished rolled a quantity or a good number of them like what you are seeing, I sip it in my mixed egg. And as of now, my oil is uncooked on middle-low heat. I'll use a little bit of oil. It should not be deep frying but shallow frying, but the oil should be a lot, but it should not sink in the oil. So I am going to fry all the rice and the mice meat that have been packed or rolled together. I will fry them for like 5 to 8 minutes until it is having a nice bright color, not too brown. And then after frying, as you can see, I have rolled a number of them and my oil is hot, and I poured them in the frying pan with the oil, and I'm going to fry while I stir. I fried the first part for like 5 minutes, and then I turned everything around and fried the other part for like 3 minutes. It doesn't take a lot of time to fry. You can see how nice looking they are already. The aroma that is coming from there, it's giving. So guys, try these delicious rice snacks called soppe at home, and you will really enjoy it. Kids like it a lot, so you can decide to take this for your snacks if you don't want to eat something heavy. It is very easy and nice. It is yummy. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.